All right, so now I'm going to tell you guys about your project for this week. I am super excited about it. First, let me give you a little heads up about why I picked this. Um, so, as many of you probably know, if you've been on campus, I have been a staunch anti-supporter of TikTok always. I always thought it was just stupid content, people doing stupid stuff or those silly dances and things like that. And during spring break, I finally signed up for one for reasons I'm not going to get into, but I signed up for one and quickly became addicted. Like, I get it. I get why it's so much fun. And, um, you can find your little niche of people that are into the same things you are or have the same sense of humor or, age group that you are. Like, I certainly don't follow kids your age. I'm with all the old people that are on TikTok now. Um, but what I was completely blown away with on TikTok was the amount of original content um, and the creativity of everyone who is on there. And it gave me the great idea of giving you guys a TikTok challenge this week for your project. So that means that if you're on campus, you do get to use cell phones this week. And I am going to let you work in groups. If you're one of my at-home kids, your assignment might look a little different, especially if you don't have TikTok, and we're just going to have to work around that. So I will make a separate video that's geared specifically towards my online kids so that I tell you what your options are if you don't have TikTok. But if you have TikTok or if you're in a group of people with TikTok, I'm going to just explain to you kind of what's already going on. So the TikTok challenge, we are in school this week for 3 days, and Friday, of course, is a virtual day. So where did I write all the things down that I want you to do? I don't remember. So what I'm going to have you guys do is there is a TikTok challenge where you have to complete 3 different videos. There you go, 3 different videos within your group. So the first one, as you know, TikTok videos can only be about a minute long. So the first video that you're going to do is 1 minute of original comedic content, okay? So it can be about anything you want so long as it's school appropriate, and you will get to shoot here at school. But I just want you to be mindful of that. The shooting does have to occur during my class period or during your lunchtime. I can sign you out or give you a pass, and you can come to me during that period to shoot if you need more quiet time. Then the second thing is a dub, a voice dub. So you can pick any sound, again, so long as it's school appropriate, to do a voice dub. So that can be a song, it can be a video of people talking and you like dub your voice over. The reason I'm having you do that one is because it involves memorization. So you have to be able to know what they're saying and the timing and matching it. And I have an example. It took me an hour to make my own example of that to show y'all, but I will show y'all. I'm super embarrassed about it, but I'll show you. And then the last one that you have to do is a duet. So again, this can be a singing duet if any of you guys like to sing, or it can just be one of those where you find someone who's made a content and you can work actual acting and like improvisation into that scene and kind of build a duet scene with them. So again, the one that I made for you guys is a what was I saying? The one that I made for you guys is a, oh, sorry. Voice dub. There we go. So the only way I can think of to show it to you is to show it to you on my phone. So I will do my best to hold it up for you so that you can see it really well. And I'll talk about how you guys can turn this project in because I know it's kind of confusing. So I did that Hollywood voice challenge. There we go. See, there's me. Okay. And I'm just going to hide here and watch it with you. Boop.
You're looking very beautiful. Why, thank you. If there's anything I love, it's a spontaneous, impulsive compliment like that.
Don't you know that a man being rich is like a girl being pretty? You might not marry a girl just because she's pretty, but my goodness, doesn't it help?
You mustn't give your heart to a wild thing. The more you do, the stronger they get.
You just don't ask a girl to marry you like you're going to the hardware store to buy a coffee grinder. I mean, you just don't come up to a girl and say the humidity is very high for this time of year. Will you marry me?
I'll trade you my feminine intuition for a bed for the night.
We're all busy little bees, full of stings, making honey day and night. Aren't we, honey?
You know, you wouldn't be a bad-looking dame if it wasn't for your face.
Well, when I'm good, I'm very good. But when I'm bad, I'm better.
So that's an example of a voice dub if you haven't done a voice dub. I wanted to be able to do all three as examples, but I just don't have the time. That took me forever. But again, you guys will have 3 days, and if you're on campus, you're going to be able to work, I'm thinking in groups of maybe 3 or 4, depending on your class size. So everyone should have the chance to be in a video and help with filming them and, you know, being extras within the scene. But then your group just has to complete all 3 of those tasks. So I hope you guys are really excited about it. As for turning them in, if you are a face-to-face learner, at least one person in each group should have a TikTok, hopefully, and be able to actually upload the videos to TikTok. And then as a class, we'll just huddle around a cell phone and watch. Or if you want them up on the big screen in class, I think you can find a way to send them to me in an email from your phone. And if not that way, maybe we can figure something out between now and then. Otherwise, if you're one of my at-home learners and you've watched all the way through this video, your option, of course, is to save any videos that you make and then send it to my email. I don't know if you'll be able to upload videos to Schoology, but I will talk about that more in the video just for my online learners. So I hope you guys are excited. I cannot wait to see what you create. If any of you want me to take part in your videos and help you out with filming, I can, so long as your class behaves during that time. And yeah, I'm just so excited.